So, Ford Autopark test. Let's see if this Ford can park itself. We should click this button and we have parking, navigate to parking assistance. And now searching for spaces, drive forward, okay. We are driving forward. We have one space here on the right. We'll see if it picks it up. It's pretty wide, so it should be okay. Okay. We have next space, okay. Come on, we have a lot of spaces. Oh, okay. We have one of the spaces. Release steering wheel, shift to reverse. Okay, we have released the steering wheel, shift to reverse. And let's see what will happen. Drive backwards, prepare to stop. Okay. Let's turn on the hazards. We have the 360 camera activated. Okay. But now we're close and okay, shift to drive. Shifting to drive. Okay, shift to reverse, shift to reverse. Switch this camera here. Finished, but I can go a little bit more backwards. I will go now. I will not use the trunk, so okay, we shift to pair. So let's go outside and check how was the parking done. Switching the engine off. I'm getting out of the vehicle. Okay, it's pretty centered. I'll give this a green-white. Good Ford, one thing that works as expected.